Amanda. Welcome to Axel's Garage. I am doing the Maverick letters for my dad because he's old and he can't see it. So we are using adhesive letters from Amazon, which the link is in the description below. So I already prepped the panel by cleaning it, and then I took rubbing alcohol and went through each individual letter. So now that it is dry and ready to go, the letters come in a sleeve. It says Mac Drive, and I'm gonna pull these out of the sleeve, and we're gonna go letter by letter. They say to center them and lightly stick them to get them centered, because once you like really stick them, there's no going back. So we're gonna work slow and steady. So they come in one big strip with like a plastic over it. So I used rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth. I'm gonna get that out of the way because I will knock it over. I'm gonna start over here at the K just so you can see what I'm doing. Get this a little closer. All right. Of course, they're not in order, so I have to peel back all of the plastic. Okay, so this plastic is actually stuck to them, so be gentle when you're pulling it off. I thought it was just like covering over it, but it's not. It's actually stuck. So I'm gonna peel the K. You're peeling it off the backing, so it is fully, the whole letter has the adhesive on it. And I'm going to try and center this. I'm holding it at the bottom of the K. I don't know. I guess it's centered. What do you think? Okay, so here it is. In my opinion, I want it to be a little bit longer here, but it can't actually be moved over anymore. So, there it is. Now let's go in and do the other letters. Dad, do you want to come judge my letter sticking ability before I keep going? Dad? Dad? Guess not. All right, well, it was pretty easy to do. I told you about how my feelings on the K. It needs to be a little pointy, but it is what it is. The other option is a decal, more like a sticker, which you could apply wet, which might make it a little bit easier if this isn't something like you're that great at, but that would mean they're flat, where these are raised and they're like actual pieces. I like the look of it though. It looks nice. It's definitely makes this truck look a little bit better. But so there are other options. There's the decals if you want to try that. Otherwise, can't really complain. I mean, they came out nice. Like I said, the link is in the description below if you'd like to do this on your truck. And as always, thanks for watching.